In 2025, passive income isn't a magical, get-rich-quick scheme. It's a smart, strategic approach to building wealth that allows you to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. But with so much information out there, it's easy to get lost in the noise and false promises. So, what actually works when it comes to passive income? In this video, we're going to break down the myths, the truths, and the real opportunities that are paying off today. You've probably heard about passive income streams like real estate, stock dividends, or online businesses that generate money while you sleep. But how do you know which ones are legit? Which ones require massive upfront investment, and which can truly be automated to earn money long term? In this video, we'll answer all of that and give you the no BS guide to passive income in 2025. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you can keep up with the most up-to-date strategies for financial freedom. Let's get into it. 1. What is passive income really? At its core, passive income is money that you earn without having to work for every single dollar you make. However, that doesn't mean it's easy money. True passive income is built over time through consistent effort, smart systems, and automation. Think of it like planting a tree. You need to water it, nurture it, and give it time to grow, but once it's up and running, it starts producing fruit with minimal effort from you. In 2025, the landscape of passive income has evolved. Many people still associate it with real estate or investing in stocks, but online businesses and digital assets have emerged as the most scalable and accessible sources of passive income. From automated online stores to affiliate marketing and subscription-based models, there are more opportunities than ever to build wealth without having to trade time for money. Passive income in today's world isn't about one-time gains. It's about building systems that continue to run with little intervention from you. 2. Digital assets are the key to 2025's passive income. In 2025, digital assets have become the cornerstone of passive income. Websites, blogs, courses, YouTube channels, and apps generate ongoing revenue with minimal work once they're established. The beauty of digital assets is that once you create them, they can keep bringing in money indefinitely. A YouTube video, for example, can make money from ads and affiliate links long after it's been uploaded. Similarly, an online course or ebook can continue to sell without you needing to update it constantly. The initial work of creating a digital asset can be time-consuming, but it's a one-time effort that pays off for years. The key is to focus on evergreen content, topics that will remain relevant no matter how much time passes. If you build something valuable, search engines and platforms will continue to bring in traffic, leading to consistent income. Digital assets are the true definition of work smarter, not harder, and they're the best way to start earning passive income in 2025. 3. Online businesses. The ultimate passive income machine. Online businesses have reached a level of sophistication in 2025 that allows them to function almost entirely on autopilot. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a digital product business, or a subscription-based model, automation tools have advanced to the point where you can create a self-sustaining operation. From product creation to marketing, fulfillment, and customer service, everything can be automated with the right systems in place. For instance, dropshipping stores and affiliate marketing websites allow you to earn money while doing little work once set up. By leveraging tools like Shopify, ClickFunnels, and automated email sequences, you can run a business that earns while you sleep. The key to success in these models is choosing the right niche, creating high-quality content, and automating every part of the business that doesn't require your direct input. With the right digital infrastructure, an online business can truly operate passively in 2025. 4. The power of automation in passive income. Automation is the backbone of any truly passive income stream. From automated emails and funnels to fully automated payment systems and content scheduling, the tools available in 2025 make it easier than ever to build income systems that require minimal ongoing attention. The power of automation lies in its ability to remove you from the daily grind, allowing your digital assets to work for you around the clock. You no longer have to spend hours managing every aspect of your business. By using platforms like Zapier, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign software, you can automate marketing, sales, customer service, and fulfillment. Once your systems are set up, all you need to do is monitor performance and tweak things occasionally. Automation lets you focus on expanding your business or enjoying your life, all while your assets continue to generate revenue. 5. Affiliate marketing. A low-cost, high-reward passive income. Affiliate marketing remains one of the easiest and most profitable ways to earn passive income online in 2025. By promoting other people's products and earning commissions for sales made through your unique links, you can create a passive income stream with little to no upfront investment. What makes affiliate marketing so attractive is that you don't need to create your own products or manage fulfillment. You simply direct traffic to a product or service you believe in. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right products to promote, understanding your audience, and creating high-quality, valuable content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. Whether you're blogging, creating YouTube videos, or posting on social media, affiliate marketing works best when combined with consistent content creation and an audience that trusts you. The more you scale your traffic, the more passive income you can generate from affiliate commissions. 6. Real estate and dividend stocks still work, but with a modern twist. Traditional passive income sources like real estate and dividend stocks are still relevant in 2025, but they've evolved. For real estate investors, the rise of platforms like Airbnb and real estate crowdfunding has made it easier to get involved in the market without needing huge upfront capital. Similarly, dividend-paying stocks remain a reliable source of passive income, but with new technologies like robo-advisors, it's easier than ever to invest without actively managing your portfolio. While these traditional forms of passive income may require more initial investment compared to digital assets, they still provide a consistent income stream. The key difference in 2025 is that investors now have more ways to scale and diversify their income sources. The rise of tech-based platforms has democratized these markets, giving everyone access to passive income opportunities that were once reserved for the wealthy. 7. Subscription models are a goldmine in 2025. Subscription models are becoming more and more popular as passive income streams in 2025. From membership sites to subscription boxes and digital content subscriptions, people are willing to pay for ongoing value. The beauty of a subscription model is the predictability of income. It's a consistent revenue stream that doesn't require you to constantly sell. Once you have a solid base of subscribers, you can count on that monthly income to fuel your growth. To succeed with a subscription model, you need to build an audience that values exclusive content, services, or products. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and Gumroad make it easy to launch subscription-based businesses, but the key is delivering consistent value that keeps your subscribers coming back month after month. Whether you're offering premium content, coaching, or specialized products, the subscription model is a smart, scalable way to earn passive income in 2025. 8. The myth of easy, passive income. While passive income is real, there's a major myth that needs to be debunked. It's not easy. In fact, building a true passive income stream takes significant upfront work. You'll need to learn new skills, experiment with different strategies, and be patient as you grow your audience and perfect your systems. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes that promise easy money. They're usually just distractions that will waste your time and money. True passive income comes from building solid foundations and creating value for your audience. Whether it's a digital asset, a subscription model, or real estate, success will take time and effort. But once you get it right, the payoff is more than worth it. You won't be locked in a job for the rest of your life, and you'll have more control over your financial future. Just remember, nothing worth having comes without effort. 9. Investing in yourself is the best passive income strategy. One of the most overlooked forms of passive income is investing in yourself. By developing skills that allow you to create valuable digital assets, manage online businesses, or make smart investments, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Education, whether through courses, mentorship, or books, is an investment that pays off over time in ways that traditional investments can't match. The more knowledge and expertise you gain, the more opportunities you'll have to create passive income streams that work for you. In 2025, the most successful entrepreneurs aren't just those who work hard. They're the ones who continually invest in upgrading their skills and adapting to new technologies. Whether it's digital marketing, coding, or content creation, investing in yourself is the foundation of sustainable passive income. 10. Building wealth with passive income takes patience and strategy. Finally, it's important to understand that building a significant passive income stream takes time. There's no shortcut, no magic pill, no get-rich-quick formula. The key to success in 2025 is a combination of smart strategy, consistency, and patience. The best passive income earners didn't build their wealth overnight. They put in the work, refined their strategies, and waited for their digital assets and businesses to take off. Success in passive income is about playing the long game. The beauty of passive income in 2025 is that there are more ways to earn than ever before, but you have to be strategic. Keep refining your skills, stay patient, and trust the